Good morning students. Today is 13th April 2020 and the day is Monday. Students, I am Mrs. Anuradha Bhargav, SST teacher of class 7. Students, today I am going to explain you the next topic of chapter R, environment. Students, in my previous video I explained you about environment and about natural environment, which consists of land, water, air and life. Students, now let us go in detail for each part and let us increase our understanding or the concept of land, air, water and life. Students, when we study about Earth, our planet, we broadly categorize them into 4 different domains, that is the atmosphere, the lithosphere, the biosphere and the hydrosphere. So students, in our natural environment, our first important domain of Earth is lithosphere, which means land. Students, all the soil, rock, mountains, plateaus, plains, the thicker part और यहाँ तक कि जिस जगह पर हम खड़े हैं, everything comes under a single umbrella called the lithosphere. So students, lithosphere is a solid crust on the layer of the earth. Students, lithosphere भी आगे divide होती है crust, core and mantle में. But these detail of the lithosphere we will study in the next chapter. But before that, let us try to understand what is lithosphere. So the basic definition of lithosphere that it is the first domain of the earth. Lithosphere includes all the entire land, the entire solid crust comes under lithosphere. Students, lithosphere की कोई भी शेप हो, चाहे वो रेगुलर हो या इरेगुलर शेप हो, किसी भी तरह का स्ट्रक्चर बना हो, चाहे सैंड पे हो या सॉइल पे, इवन एक छोटे से माउंटेन से लेकर बड़ा लार्जेस्ट माउंट एवरेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, एवरी प्लेट्यू, प्लेन, वैली, whatever land we have, it comes under lithosphere. Students, यहाँ तक कि जो ओशन का जो फ्लोर होता है वो भी ही lithosphere का ही पार्ट है. All these together make lithosphere. Students, even lithosphere provide us forest, grasslands और यहाँ तक कि हम जो एग्रीकल्चर करते हैं वो भी lithosphere लेयर पे करते हैं. हम अपने घर बनाते हैं वो भी हम लैंड पे ही बनाते हैं. Besides that, lithosphere is also gives us mineral wealth, like they provide us gold, copper, एल्यूमिनियम एंड सो ऑन. स्टूडेंट्स, लिथोस्फीयर से हमें फॉसिल फ्यूल्स भी मिलते हैं जैसे पेट्रोल, डीजल, कोल, केरोसिन एक्सेट्रा. एज यू ऑल नो दैट वी नीड पेट्रोल एंड डीजल फॉर आवर व्हीकल्स एंड कोल इज यूज्ड इन इंडस्ट्रीज एज अ फ्यूल. So that's why lithosphere is an important domain of the earth because of these features. So the second most important domain of the earth is hydrosphere. Students, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था that we need water for our survival. We need water for our different activities. So the entire body form from a tiny droplets, एक छोटी सी बूंद से लेकर एक huge water body जैसे ocean, ये सभी जो है hydrosphere का part होते हैं. Students, all the oceans including lakes, river, ponds, glaciers, seas comes under the category of hydrosphere. Students, even 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. That is why we called it as a watery planet or a blue planet. Students, as you all know that water supports all form of life on the Earth. It is also used to generate electricity. The force of water is used to generate electricity. Students, hydrosphere is available on the land through the process of water cycle. Students, because of all these features, water is an essential source of life and an important domain of Earth. Students, the third important domain of the Earth is atmosphere. Students, we need land to stay, we need water to survive, but the other important thing is we need air to breathe. So, in simple terms, the blanket of air present around the planet Earth is called atmosphere. Students, let us see what atmosphere is made up of. What is the composition of air? It has oxygen 21%, nitrogen 78% and carbon dioxide, water vapor and other gases 1%. Student, all this composition of air is necessary for the survival of all living beings on earth. Students, earth का जो gravitational force होता है वो अपने चारों तरफ atmosphere को hold करके रखता है. Students, even atmosphere हमें sun की harmful ultraviolet radiation से भी protect करता है, जो atmosphere की layer होती है. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर ये एटमॉस्फेयर की लेयर नहीं होगी तो डायरेक्ट सन की जो हीट है वो हम तक आएगी और जिससे हमारी स्किन जो है बर्न हो सकती है, हमें काफी सारी स्किन डिजीजेज हो सकती हैं. इसीलिए एटमॉस्फेयर लेयर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर सर्वाइवल and for our protection. So that's why, because of these features, atmosphere is very important domain of the earth. Students, now coming to the last and most important domain of the earth, that is biosphere. Students, we talked about lithosphere, about hydrosphere, about atmosphere. But let me ask you one thing. Where is the human? Where is the plants? Where is the life? And where is all the interaction happening? Students, all the living creatures on this planet are got as biosphere. Students, अगर सिंपल टर्म्स में समझाऊं तो बायोस्फीयर वो नैरो जोन है अर्थ की जहां पर लैंड, वाटर, एयर इंटरैक्ट करते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ और लाइफ को सपोर्ट करते हैं ऑफ ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स. Students, the word biosphere comes from the Greek word bios, meaning life, and the Latin word sphaera, which means the total range. Students, हमारी अर्थ में बहुत सारे लिविंग क्रिएचर्स हैं. छोटे छोटे पेड़ पौधे से लेकर बड़े बड़े पेड़ पौधे, बड़े एनिमल्स, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स, ये सारी वैरायटी लाइफ की बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी या बायोडाइवर्सिटी कहलाती है. स्टूडेंट्स, if there is no biosphere zone, there will be no interaction done and there will be no life on earth. That's why the zone biosphere is very important for our survival. So students, now here are some questions which you have to answer in your SST notebook. The first question is about dash percent of Earth surface is covered with water. आपको बताना कितनी परसेंट अर्थ का सरफेस पानी से ढका हुआ है. Is it 71% or is it 69 और 17%? जो भी ठीक आंसर होगा आप उसको बताना. Second, the atmosphere is held to the earth by the force of. एटमॉस्फेयर जो है धरती के किस फोर्स के कारण बंधा हुआ है, उसके चारों ओर सर्वाइव कर रहा है. इज इट ऑक्सीजन, इज इट ग्रेविटी और इज इट स्मोक? द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज डिफाइन. यू हैव टू डिफाइन हाइड्रोस्फीयर, बायोस्फीयर, एटमॉस्फेयर एंड लिथोस्फीयर. So students, that's for all. I hope now you will get the useful information about the 4 domains of the earth. Students, in my next video I will explain you the next topic of this lesson. Till then, goodbye, take care. Thank you.